My name's Cameron Schwab, I'm the CEO of the Melbourne Football Club. Football clubs, if nothing else, are a people business. We communicate with the 200, 300,000 people who actually support our club, who are really the lifeblood of the organisation.
In the AFL world, members are everything. For our club, it's no different. But the difference we're trying to establish amongst the AFL teams is that we have a connection with our members to an extent that no other club does.
Before ShoreTel came on as a partner with the club, it was tough to communicate.
The problem we faced in the past with our phone system was not only a lack of reliability, but also usability. Our staff had become disillusioned with the use of this communication system and were suffering the communication system rather than enjoying it and actually using it as a tool. When it boiled down to it, each of the providers on paper were capable of providing the list of requirements that we initially set out with. So what it came down to was a comfort that the system was going to fit our needs.
Obviously we looked at all of the competitors, but to have that trust right from the outset was certainly an important component. And definitely words matched deeds, and deeds matched words, and we found ourselves in a situation where really the outcome was obvious.
ShoreTel were quickly identified as being highly desirable from a point of view of quality of the system, audio quality, usability, flexibility and the mobility side of things as well. We're separated across 3 sites at the moment. We needed the flexibility to be able to grow our sites and tie them together. The ShoreTel system, for my part, is amazing in its simplicity. We've had a single training session for each of our staff as part of the implementation, and we've had 0 revisit of that training.
From that point of view, it went straight away, got into it, worked it all out, and they love it. Brilliantly simple.
From an IT manager point of view, I can now rely on this system to operate day to day. It frees up a lot of my time to be able to focus on some of the more key issues as far as infrastructure and operations. I don't need to worry about whether or not it's going to stand up. I can sit back and let the system do its work. We have now got a reliable and usable phone system. We have the ability to behave as one site despite geographical separation, and that's proven to be beyond benefit. So we're now operating as one club, which is no longer restricted by our telecommunication system. It's simple, straightforward. I can make the changes I need when I need immediately, and I don't need to rely on external parties to do that for me. Our club is becoming more and more successful, both on-field and off-field. We're in a stronger position financially, and we're also growing our resources. So we need the scalability to keep up with this growth, and the ShoreTel system allows us to do that.
We've got a very strong attitude towards growing, and growing requires an infrastructure, and an infrastructure you can then trust. We believe in the ShoreTel system. It gives us confidence, and from that point of view, that spreads all the way through the organisation. And I sense that as the CEO of the club, because I get that feedback from everyone who uses it. Here is a system that will do for you what your business actually needs. And they'll do it at a level whereby your people will build with them, they'll get an understanding of what the capabilities are of the system, and yes, it'll make sense financially for you.